The name of this line dance is Life's a Movie. It's got a restart on wall 4, and it's the first 8 counts. So I'm going to start. Weights on your left. You're going to start heel taps with your right. You're going to stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do a rocking chair. You're going to do a lock step forward, scuff. And you're going to turn with a cross and hold. Here you're going to do a weave. Step behind, step, cross. Here you're going to step, touch, step, touch. Step forward with your right with a scuff. Step forward with your left with a scuff. So let me do it with a count. Weights on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.